Ciao, I'm Marianne Esposito. Need a great soup? How about a velvety mushroom with Filippo Barrio Robusto extra virgin olive oil? It makes the dish. Now, when you go to the grocery store, you've got a bevy of mushrooms to choose from. And for the mushrooms, you're going to need two 12-ounce containers of the button mushrooms and a half a pound of the oyster mushrooms. When you get them home, you put them in a paper bag because paper allows those mushrooms to breathe. Now, one day, I decided that this was a great way to cut mushrooms. Use an egg slicer, and you can just get very even slices, and it makes very quick work. So we have our button mushrooms, and we have our oyster mushrooms, and we have our leeks. And how are we going to cook that? We are going to give it great flavor by using Filippo Barrio Robusto extra virgin olive oil. This is an olive oil that has a nice bold flavor. It's going to be perfect for this because it's going to bring out the essence of the mushrooms. Now you can see how soft these mushrooms are. And if you look in the bottom of the pan, there is no liquid. That's the point when we want to add the wine. A dry white wine, we need about a half a cup. After that wine evaporates, we're ready to puree. So once you get it smooth like this, then we want to add the milk. So for this, I'm using low-fat, evaporated milk. And once all that goes in, we're going to puree that just a little bit longer. And let's give it now a little bit of salt, not too much. And for this dish, I love thyme, fresh thyme. So we have a little fresh thyme going in. We're going to add some sliced mushrooms that we sauteed and a little bit of the Filippo Barrio Robusto extra virgin olive oil as a garnish over the top. That's going to make this dish sing.